So this is unit 703. As soon as you come in, this is what you see. Incredible light off the kitchen, off the living room, off the dining room. All brand new floors throughout. Nice large balcony. You get light basically all day, west, sunsets, south. Beautiful views out the window here. Looking down south. Kitchen, brand new. Cabinets, countertops, everything's new. Flooring again, new throughout. New appliances. Full-size washer and dryer. There's a coat closet right there. A few more closets right there. Full-size laundry closet with cabinets. Guest bathroom. Brand new. Everything. So it's essentially brand new. Guest bedroom, again, great light. In this case, give it as an office. Go into the master. Again, nice light. And there's a sliding closet here. There's a safe. And there's a walk-in closet. Then, brand new master bathroom. Just got these mirrors, custom fit inside. And a beautiful shower. 2 seat benches. And that is it. Brand new condo in the heart of North Bethesda. This is one that people won't be expecting. Getting to see it before anyone else. Just give me a call.